Bonjour tout le monde! I wanted to show you how to find our French ebooks. So let's go with a little bit of franglais, a little bit of English and French together. So we started our regular school website. Click on the library site. On va dans la bibliothèque numérique, the digital library. And this time we're going to go to eBooks. D'accord, on a beaucoup d'options ici. We have lots and lots of options here. Only some of them have French stories available, so I'll just outline those here, and I've also typed them up so you can have quick reference on our George Day website. So the AfricanStorybook.org, they do have French. Epic has French. Global Storybooks Portal has French. This ICDL, the International Children's Digital Library, has French. Indigenous Storybooks, Storybook Canada, and Tumble Books. So all of those have French. Some of them are really quite obvious, like Storybooks Canada and Indigenous Storybooks. They both have the same format that is really, really easy to switch. Epic is really quite easy as well, but some of them are a little less intuitive. So let me show you with African Storybooks. Oh good, it's loading quickly. Sometimes this one takes a little bit of time to load. You can see that there's lots of languages here, but to find the French, you actually just have to go over here to read. And then, look at that, I've already searched for French, but you'll need to go into here. It'll come up as English when you first start out, and then you scroll down until you find French. There are also tons of other languages available, which is really, really neat. And it'll come up with a little bit of a summary about the books. So these ones are all available in French. Now, unfortunately, there's no video or picture that goes along with it. You have to open it up to actually see the book, but they are really quite cool books, so I recommend looking at it. It's worth the time. Global Storybooks Portal as well. There are a lot of countries here, but if you want the languages, you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there's FSL, which is a great option because this is stories for second language learners of French. Otherwise, it can be quite tricky if they are meant for first language learners. They're often a much trickier text, as I'm sure you're aware. So anyway, they've got a lot of options there, which are meant for second language learners in French, which is fantastic. ICDL. It's kind of obvious, but then kind of not. So I went up here and changed this. That will change the language of the whole website. So what you really want is in this area here to choose French. And then it will tell you in this section, these are the French books that they have available. And you can scroll through and see which ones with little mini pictures of them. Also Tumble Books, which I did show you in the other French tutorial, but I'll show you again here. So you come to the main page and go to language learning. You can also choose it up here. And there we go, lots and lots of French books. So really, really neat. And I hope you enjoy exploring our French ebooks. Bonne journée tout le monde!